Today start a new lecture, chemical reaction of phenol. Chemical reaction of phenol. Look here, actually a phenol or a benzene or any aromatic compound undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic, a substitution reaction. Look here, in case of phenol and the benzene, which is more reactive in electrophilic substitution reaction. Look here, a phenol is a more reactive in electrophilic substitution reaction. Why? OH group is a activating group. OH group is a activating group at ortho and para directing. Ortho and para directing. Correct? Look here, a first reaction, halogenation of phenol. Halogenation of phenol. Look here, halogenation of phenol. Look here, reaction undergoes a bromination reaction, also a same way a chlorination reaction. But in syllabus, a bromination reaction. Look here, halogenation reaction. Bromination reaction. Look here, simple like this. What is this? This is the phenol, OH. Correct? Yes. Look here, halogenation of phenol, the reaction in which a hydrogen atom of benzene ring of phenol. Hydrogen atom of benzene ring of phenol is replaced by a halogen atom. This reaction is called as halogenation of phenol. Look at what is meant by halogenation of phenol. The reaction in which a hydrogen atom of a benzene ring of phenol is replaced by a halogen atom. This reaction is called as halogenation of phenol. Okay, look at second point. The product of halogenation reaction depending upon a polarity. Everybody, a polarity of solvent. Look here, either a polar solvent or non-polar solvent. Means a reaction with a bromine water. Reaction with bromine water or aqueous solution of bromine. What is this? This is the polar in nature. But look here, a solvent used a low polarity than water. Low polarity than water means non-polar solvent. Less polar solvent means bromine in CS2. CHCl3 means chloroform. Next is a carbon tetrachloride. Look here, third point, a halogenation of phenol is electrophilic substitution reaction. Halogenation of phenol, a electrophilic, a substitution reaction. Look here, a first heading. There are two types of reaction. Why? Depending upon the polarity. One is a more polar solvent and second the less polar solvent. More polar solvent, bromine water. More polar solvent, bromine water. And second, a less polar solvent. Next, less polar solvent. Okay. Look here, a reaction, everybody, reaction A. Reaction with bromine water. Reaction with bromine water means Br2 water. Correct? Yes. Look here, simple phenol is reacted with bromine water. Excess of bromine. excess of bromine or aqueous solution of bromine. Aqueous solution of bromine at low temperature. Correct? It gives a 5 ppt of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Means, look here, Br. Next Br. Next Br. 2, 4, 6 tribromo. Tribromophenol. Tribromophenol plus thys, okay, HBr plus thys HBr. What is this? This is the phenol or carbolic acid. Look here, simple question. What is the action of bromine water on phenol? What is the action of a bromine water on phenol? Look here, answer. Phenol is reacted with bromine water. Okay? At room temperature, it gives a 5 ppt of a 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Look here, which group are introduced in the phenol? A bromine means halogen. This reaction is a halogenation of phenol. This reaction is halogenation of phenol. Look here, a reaction with bromine water means, what is this? This is the polar solvent. What is this? This is the polar solvent. Okay. Look here, a bromination reaction depending upon the product of bromination reaction depends upon the polarity of the solvent. Means, a bromine water is a polar solvent and Br2 in CH2, Br2 in chloroform, Br2 in a carbon tetrachloride non-polar solvent or a less polar solvent. Correct? Look here, a first reaction with bromine water. Correct? Look here, when phenol is reacted with a bromine water at room temperature, it gives a 5 ppt of a 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Correct? A first a brominated product of the phenol by using a polar solvent. Polar solvent. Correct? Yes. Look here, a second reaction. Look here, a second reaction. Second reaction, all of you. Reaction with. Second, a reaction with B. Reaction with Br2. Reaction with Br2 in carbon disulfide or CHCl3 chloroform or carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. What is this? This is the less polar solvent. What is this? A less polar solvent or non-polar solvent. Okay? What is this? Non-polar. Non-polar or less polar solvent. Look here, when phenol is reacted with bromine, Br2, correct? In CH2, in CH2, correct everybody? A CHCl3, low temperature. Low temperature means all of you 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin means 0 degrees Celsius. It gives the mixture of. All of you. First product OH. Look here, OH is the activating group. At the position ortho and para directing group means Br. Name of the compound orthobromophenols. Correct? Look here next, para-bromophenol. OH, next Br. What is this? Para-bromophenol. Look here, para-bromophenol is a major product. Para-bromophenol is a major product. Okay? Plus HBr. Correct? Plus HBr. Look here, simple questions. What is the action of Br2CS2 on the phenol? When phenol is reacted with bromine in CS2 at low temperature or 0 degrees Celsius, it gives a mixture of a orthobromophenol, a minor product, and parabromophenol is a major product. Look here, product is a minor product here, minor. Look here, how many percentage here? Look here, 20 percentage, and near to parabromophenol, a 80 percentage. Reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Reaction is a electrophilic, a substitution reaction. Simple. When phenol is reacted with bromine in CS2, in chloroform, in carbon tetrachloride at low temperature or 0 degrees Celsius, it gives a mixture of a orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Orthobromophenol is a minor product and parabromophenol is a major product. Correct? Look here, second type, reaction with Br2CS2 or non-polar solvent or less polar solvent. Correct? Look here, a halogenation of phenol. Look here, halogenation of phenol. Which group are introduced here? A bromine. Bromine, everybody, atom are introduced in the a phenol. Second, a product of a halogenation of phenol is based upon nature of solvent. Okay, either a polar solvent or non-polar solvent. Mean reaction first, a bromine in water is a polar solvent, Br2CS2 is a less polar solvent. Means polarity is less than water. And type of reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay.